Dear friends, today I will show you a website that can remove object, defect or people or text from your pictures in second. First of all, go to Google Chrome and type it here clip drop cleaner, right? And go to cleanup. Now here you see, here there are many photos here. If you want to clean up something, let us take this photo. Let's take any of the photos. Suppose we have taken these photos, right? And if you want to clean something, then what you have to do? Suppose you want to clean this one, this book. We have to remove this book. You just take this one and go to clean. Then this object will be deleted from this point. Here you see. Now clean. Here you see the book is deleted. Now if you want to delete this one, this parcel, or if you want to remove this one camera from this table, what you have to select this one with the brush and go to clean, and you see here that this camera will be cleaned here, and you see there is no image after that, right? Now if you want to remove another thing, that is this one or this cup, let us clean this one. First of all, go to this cup, and here you go, right? And clean that. This object will be deleted, right, from the pictures. Here you see this object is deleted from the pictures. Now if you want to remove another thing, right, or if you take any other object, you can also take, suppose this key, right? If you want to remove this key, let us remove this one, right, and go to clean. Here you see we have deleted the key in a very good way. In this way you can delete or any object. Suppose you want to delete this 7 and 3, then keep the brush here and then go to clean. And here you see this number will be deleted from this one. Then that means you can delete or remove any object from any pictures, right? In this way you can remove any pictures, any of the object from any pictures. Let us take another example. Suppose if we want to take, we want to take this one. Suppose if you want to take this one, and if we now if you want to remove this one, this one, let us select it with the brush and you just hit clean it, and you see here this will be removed from your pictures. Here you see this will be removed from this picture. If we want to remove this car or this bus, it can be removed also, right? You want to remove this car or this vehicle, you select it and go to clean. Here you see the bus is deleted. In this way you can delete as many objects in the pictures and it will be deleted immediately. Dear friends, let us take another pictures and let us try whether we can clean up or not. Suppose if we take this one, suppose this one, right? If you want to remove this hand, right, let us remove this hand. First select it, right, and go to clean. right? We have removed this hand also, right? In this way you can clean as you like in any pictures, and in this way it is being cleaned up. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.